Okay, a quick introduction here before the video starts. Yup. So this video here is the Puck train arriving. Yup. Arriving, coming from Puck and arriving at the paw. Yup. So train number 3840, taking it, pulling it back. Yup. And 1083 and 2265 on the middle, and looked like 2269 pulling it there, taking it there. Yup, it looked like. Yup. So yeah, strangely I didn't hear that train or saw that train got ready or left on that Monday. Yup. This video here, what I took, was on a Tuesday. Yup. That train might have left early in the morning on that Monday, or it might have left last night on that day. Yup, never know. Yup. So yeah, 4 engines, 3840 pulling it there, no, pulling it back, I mean. Yup. Pulling it back to the paw, 1083 and 2265 on the middle. Yup. And 2269 pulling it there, pulling it to Puck. Yup, that it looked like. Yup. So yeah, let's get to the video now. Whoop, there goes the train. So hey camera, so right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yup, the PAS Manitoba. And this train here is coming from Puckatawagan. Yup, train coming back from Puck, and I didn't expect it. Yup. I didn't even know it left yesterday. Yup. Train number 3840, 1083, 2269, and 2265. Yup, 4 engines. Both of the Flin Flon engines and both of the Puck engines. Yup. Yep, so today it's Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. Yep, and the time, it is 4:55 p.m. Yep, 4:55 p.m. Early afternoon, late evening. No, early evening, early afternoon. No, late afternoon, early evening. Yep. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace.